Buongiorno. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás today? Yo no hablo español, hablo portugués. So today's Friday the 18th. Friday 18th of December, year 2020. You're watching my YouTube video right now. I think it's 9:30 a.m. Let's sing a little song. What is the name of the song? I forget. Song I used to hear at the clubs here in Montreal. Volare, oh, cantare, oh, oh. Volare. Is it volare or volare? I don't remember. Volare, oh, cantare, oh. Oh my god. This world's so screwed up. Things are so screwed up these days, huh? You have to have some fun. Some form of entertainment. Some form of fun. Things are just getting too serious out there. The shit is hitting the fan. The shit is hitting the proverbial fan. So anyways, here I am in my car. Had a little problem with this one. Last Monday, let's start by this Monday. This Monday I went to pick up the car. Had an issue with a C230, the Mercedes I bought 4 months ago. So it was on a Monday that I went for a walk at the park, and the car wouldn't start when it was time for me to go home. So I found out what the problem was even before the dealer, what the dealer told me. So before the dealer diagnostics, and I say dealer because I had no choice. I had to take the car to the dealer. Very long story short, electronic steering lock failed. So when the electronic steering lock fails, it doesn't allow for the car to start. Bottom line, you're stranded. So that system, that part had to be replaced at the dealer, and from what I've been doing my research, only the dealer could do it because it has to match your VIN number. They have to order it. It's a special order. You have to reprogram everything again. They have to reprogram the electronic steering lock box itself, to reprogram your keys, and also the electronic ignition switch. So electronic ignition switch, I do not know if you can see that, it's kind of dark, plus the electronic steering lock, the steering column. So they have to pull the steering wheel out. Now first they have to pull the airbag, pull the airbag out, then the steering wheel has to be pulled out, then they have to pull the steering column out. Everything has to come out. And then they have to remove the box, which is actually the electronic steering lock. Remove that out. Sometimes you can replace the motor inside that device. Sometimes you cannot. Sometimes you have to replace the entire system, the entire box. Unfortunately or fortunately, that costs about $600–700 just for the part. Labor, I won't even tell you how many hours of work that takes and how much that costs. So it's about, rough estimate is about $1,400 to get the job done. So parts and labor all included. I got a courtesy free car wash when I went to pick up the car. And that's about it. It's about it for now. It's not a very complicated job to do. It doesn't take a rocket science to figure it out. Obviously they plugged the car into the computer, the OBD2, the OBD port over here, the diagnostic port of the car, to find out exactly what was wrong. But I was already 99% sure I already knew what was the problem, what was wrong. So with that being said, they have to charge you 2 hours just to do a diagnostic. So it's two hours diagnostic. That's $140 times two. So that's $280 just to diagnose your problem. but I was 90% sure I already knew what it was, but they still have to do it right, and you still have to pay. Anyways, I'm going grocery shopping right now, so I'm waiting for someone to come down. Oh, she's already here. Okay, thanks you, Mom, for watching. Bye-bye. Bye, take care.